top of the morning, guys. Yeah, man, this is Yard as is. Jamaica Yard Life. More active this morning, and it's just about the usual, guys. Yeah, man, in the kitchen. I'm gonna wash up a few plates and get back to y'all. Yeah, man, thanks for joining. Happy Tuesday, guys. Yeah, man, I trust that y'all up and active and feeling fine. And on your side of the world, family, friends, and you know, friend of the family is quite alright as well. Yeah, man. Anyway, yeah, chuckle, guys. Yeah, guys. This morning, I'm thinking about going light on the breakfast. Yeah, man. So it's the usual. It's ramen. Yeah, man. An egg. And egg. Egg, guys. Okay, guys, be back in a few. I'll be back in a few. Yeah, guys, I had to get the charger together. Yeah, man, running out of charge. But anyway, as I said from before, yeah, man, this morning, we just, what I say, just about the usual. Yeah, man, looking after ramen noodle. And as usual, giving thanks. Yeah, man, you know the energy go. Once you're up and active and you have life, you have everything. Come on, yeah. Yeah, guys, probably it's just me, but I enjoy my ramen. Yeah, guys, I love them noodles. Yeah, man. But anyway, remember, guys, to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, man. It really, really does help. Happy, happy, happy Tuesday, guys. Happy, happy, happy Tuesday. Let's chit chat for a few guys. Yeah, man. Oh my, a bit hot. A bit hot, guys. The soup. Yeah, guys. On top of the morning. Yeah, man. This morning, just want to reason a bit about accountability. Yeah, man. When you're wrong, guys. Yeah, man. And when you're right, you're right. When you're wrong, you have to can give account for your wrongs. Nothing I'm gonna say, so is there anything new? Yeah, guys. Nothing I say is anything new. You have other content creators out there that has already said enough, I'd say, or say a lot in regards to them giving accountability and just being truthful. For me, I'd say I only have my words. Yeah, man. So I'd say I live by my words. Yeah, man. I'm not perfect. Just like you, I worry. Yeah, man. Just like y'all, I stress too. But there is a God, and I believe that He's with me. Yeah, man. Most of the times. Yeah, man. I know energy go. You have to take care of you all as well. Yeah, man. You know me and the sense of humor. But this is my personality, guys. This is who I am. As down to earth as much as possible. Yeah, man. And I don't try to fabricate anything. In regards to the wrongs that I've done throughout my life, yeah, man, I've done wrongs, guys. Not taking anyone's life or any of them stuff, yeah, man. But you know, as what I say, my peers would say, bro, you have pretty face, so you mess with people, girl, pity, and so much more. I'm not that type of person, guys. Yeah, man. When we were younger, when I say, when we were younger, when I was younger, I was, a bit unruly. But as we grow out of certain things. Yeah, man. So as I said, it's good when you can give take accountability for your wrongs and, a little gratitude for when you're right. But for me, guys, I try my best to do the right at all times. Yeah, man. Not perfect. Ever so often I'm meeting situations that are challenging. Yeah, man. And I can say I'm happy that I have you guys and a very small circle. Yeah, man, that keep me going. Yeah, man. Being misunderstood, misjudged, and being ill-treated is natural throughout life. Experience. I've experiences like them experiences, but it's not good to dwell on stuff like those. Most naturally, it's good for be positive, think positive, and just forgive people. Forgive the ones that rub you the wrong way, the ones that fail to see the good within you. Yeah, man. Don't bash me, guys, if I stray from my topic a bit, but within me is a lot of love, guys. I don't know how to express it, but I believe that if I show y'all more, you would have more understanding. Yeah, man. And time reveals a lot. I am always happy for anyone out there or anyone close to me that is, excelling. You're putting your shoulders to the wheel and you're doing the right thing. Nothing excites me more than that. Trust me. Well, a lot more, but it's something, bro. I love and love alone, guys. Yeah, man, that is it. Clean hands, clean heart, clear thoughts. Yeah, man. As I always say, be your brother's keeper. I'm not the type of person to come on the internet and, you know, try to bring down my brother or my sister. I have nothing bad to say about no one. Yeah, man. Who knows, knows. Yeah, man. And you have quite a few persons out there that have done me wrong, that I have never ever even speak ill on their name at any given time. But life is what it is. Sometimes coffee, sometimes tea. And if you're a good person, and if you're loving, caring, and kind, trust me, you're gonna face fire. But that loving and caring and soft side to you, let it grow. Yeah, man. Do not shun it. Trust me. You're gonna manifest to be something so great. That's the ones who bring you down will have to help to lift you up, if it even praises. Put it like that. Yeah, man. But say all of that to say this, guys. Be nice, be kind, be gentle with your brothers and sisters. Yeah, man. It's not everyone God fearing. But when you find someone that is out of this world, that is evil, put it that way, walk wide of them. Yeah, man. God has a special angel just for them, to help them towards the light. It is not your job to try and change them. Be mindful that you're changing other hearts in other places in far greater ways. Yeah, man. So be nice, man. Yeah, man. Trust the process. Believe, as we Jamaicans say. Keep getting up, keep getting about, keep getting out there, and keep doing the right thing. This is hard as is. No preservative, no additive, all natural. And just to say, one love, mommy. Thanks for the support. Yeah, man. And all y'all out there, remember now, guys, to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Trust me, it really, really does help. Yeah, man. And share with a friend, a family, or a loved one, or it's something, grandma. Yeah, man. Ever so often, you always see me in this, kind of energy. Just chilling to myself, due to the fact that for me, life is in a whole different state right now. And I'd say the universe have me just, giving thanks. Put it that way. Yeah, man. So as soon as, I'm out and about and, like usual, indulgent stuff, guys, I'm gonna get y'all footages to your wall. Yeah, man. So don't feel left out. I believe that I should take this, one step at a time. Even though time waits and no, man. As I said, yeah, that's it, man. Anyway, as the future unfolds, catch y'all then. Yeah, man. I remember now, oh, good. And show a little love, man. And be true to yourself, guys. Yeah, man. Love and love alone. That is it. Blessings.